எதுக்குடா இந்த மானங்கட்ட பொழப்பு?
Hi guys, we are Tech Dudes and we are back into the next video. And now we are waiting for the next package, which is gonna arrive anytime now. I think the package has arrived. And for this scene, I am the cameraman because the director has turned into a courier guy. About poor guys, casting issues. இது வேற வந்து தொலை மணி. Hey, hi dude.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் அப்பியரன்ஸா?
ஆமா கொரியர். நைட்ல எதுக்குடா கூலிங் கிளாஸ்?
Coming to the case, this case is in a black color, which is very nice, and there is a OnePlus logo on the side. But the one thing you have to feel for is that this case is not scratch resistant. If you are an IronMan fan, you must be handling it very carefully. And the face of the IronMan is so bulged, so that it also looks very nice. It gives a very good grip to your hand. It actually protects the phone from any drops. Here are the buttons, which are well built, and the spacing is actually very accurate. The sizing is actually very accurate, so that the phone perfectly fits into your phone. And seeing the back side of the case, it's very smooth. There is also an Avengers logo in it. All the edges, buttons are really protected, which is an awesome thing, and there are holes too. Thank you for watching this video. Hit like if you like this video, dislike if you don't like it, but do comment about our video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel The Tech Dudes. We are nearing the 100 subscribers.